Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sal Mahajan. So in this video, we're going to take a demo on how can you encrypt your root EBS volume if you created one that is unencrypted. So for this video, you guys need an EC2 instance created. As you guys can see over here, I have an EC2 that is already created. You can quickly head over to the storage tab and you guys have to make sure that your root volume is not encrypted. So the encrypted option should be set as no. So the first step of this process is we have to create a snapshot of this volume. So we're going to head over to the snapshot tab. And as you can see, I don't have any snapshots created. We're going to go ahead and select create snapshot. When we select create snapshot, we're going to stick to the basic because we're creating a snapshot of a volume. We're going to specify our volume ID. And now we're going to give a description over here. I am going to specify an unencrypted volume. And then after that, you guys will be able to see that the encryption is not encrypted because our, what do you say, initial volume that we created, the root volume was unencrypted. We're going to go ahead and click on create snapshot. As you can see, the snapshot is being created. Let's go ahead and click on refresh a couple of times. Okay, guys, as you can see that our volume or our snapshot has been created. It did take a couple of minutes. So anyways, let's head back to the snapshot page and you can see it's been completed. Now, the second step of this process is to create an encrypted snapshot. So we're going to go ahead and select our specified snapshot and we're going to click on actions and we are going to say copy snapshot because we need to copy the snapshot. And when we copy the snapshot, if you guys see over here, we have an option that says make this snapshot encrypted. So we're going to make sure that we select this option. And I am going to go ahead and just give it as encrypted volume. So we know that which snapshot is encrypted. And whenever you select this option, you guys have to choose a KMS key. So you have two options. One is that you can use the default one that AWS provides you, or you can specify your own custom KMS key. For this video, I am going to stick to the default. We're going to go ahead and click on copy snapshot. As you guys can see, our snapshot has been copied over. You can see we have two snapshots now, one for the unencrypted one and one for the encrypted one. Now, if you scroll a bit to the right under the encryption option, you will see that this snapshot is now encrypted. So let me pause the video and come back to you guys once this snapshot has been created. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see, we have successfully completed creating a snapshot that is an encrypted snapshot. Now we're going to move on to the third step, which is basically to use this to create an AMI. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and select the encrypted snapshot. We're going to go to actions. And when you go to actions, you are going to have two options. The first option is you want to create a volume from the snapshot. Now, for example, if this was not a root volume and this was a normal volume that you wanted to create an encrypted copy of, you could quickly go ahead and click on create volume from snapshot. And when you scroll down, you can see that it automatically highlights the button that says encryption. But again, for our specified use case, we want to create an EMI. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that specified snapshot. We're going to click on actions and we're going to say create image from snapshot. So I'm just going to give my test encrypted encrypted image. Our description, I'm going to leave it as empty. We're going to say it's going to be yep, the architecture seems fine. Everything seems fine. And now when you come to your block device mapping, wherein you put in your EBS volume, you can see that your encryption is automatically on. And we're going to go ahead and click on create image. Now you can see that we have successfully requested a new image, that is AMI. This image is being created. Now we're going to go ahead and click on this and you can see that an image is created over here from that specified EBS volume. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and select this specified image and we are going to say we want to launch an instance using this AMI. Now this opens up again the same launch an instance dashboard and I'm going to put it as my Unencrypted EBS server. And when you scroll a bit down under AMI, you will be able to see that this has picked up the new image, the encrypted image that you have created. I am again going to leave every single thing as default, and we're going to click on launch instance. Now it's going to ask you for the key pair. I do not need a key pair for this, so I'm going to go ahead and select no key pair needed. And now you can see that this instance has been launched. Let's open up the instance dashboard, and you can see the instance state is still pending, but that's fine. Now this is the new instance, that is my encrypted EBS server. We're going to head over to storage, and now you can see that the new EBS volume that we attach to this EC2 instance is now encrypted. Now that is basically how you guys can encrypt an EBS root volume and attach it to a new EC2 instance, um, assuming that when you created that volume, it was unencrypted. So I hope you guys did like this video. You guys did get an understanding on how can you encrypt an unencrypted pre-existing EBS volume. And if you guys did like this video, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.